Spending time in nature is more than a pleasant escape from routine life. It acts as a gentle form of therapy, supporting physical renewal and mental calm by reducing stress, restoring attention, and helping the body and mind reconnect with their natural rhythm. In a modern world filled with screens, artificial light, constant noise, and endless demands, many people become chronically tired, mentally overstimulated, and emotionally disconnected, leaving the nervous system overworked and the body struggling to regain balance. Nature therapy, often called ecotherapy, offers a quiet yet powerful way to restore balance by easing stress, calming the nervous system, reconnecting awareness with the body, and allowing the mind to slow down and regain clarity through natural sensory experience. One of the most immediate benefits of spending time outdoors is its influence on the body's natural rhythms, helping regulate sleep patterns, hormone release, and energy levels by reconnecting the nervous system with natural light, movement, and sensory cues. Sunlight plays a crucial role in regulating the circadian cycle, helping the body recognize when to feel alert and when to rest, supporting hormone balance, sleep quality, energy regulation, and overall biological timing aligned with natural light cues. Regular exposure to natural light improves sleep quality, stabilizes hormone production, and supports immune function through vitamin D synthesis, helping regulate energy levels, strengthen biological rhythms, and promote overall physical and mental balance. Fresh air increases oxygen intake, supporting circulation and sharper brain function, while natural surroundings invite gentle, intuitive movement that feels less forced than structured exercise, helping the body relax, release tension, and move in a more natural rhythm. The physical benefits of spending time outdoors extend beyond simple movement. Natural environments support circulation, improve breathing, reduce muscle tension, lower stress hormones, and help the body recover more smoothly through calm, balanced physical activity. Walking on natural terrain engages stabilizing muscles, improves posture, and enhances coordination by challenging balance and movement patterns, helping the body move more efficiently, build strength gently, and develop better physical awareness over time. Activities like hiking, gardening, or slow walking help release muscle tension built up from long periods of sitting, improve circulation, restore joint mobility, and allow the body to unwind naturally through gentle, rhythmic movement in a relaxed environment. Over time, these gentle forms of movement support joint health, improve cardiovascular function, and build overall physical resilience, allowing the body to strengthen and adapt naturally without excessive strain or stress on muscles and systems. Nature's influence on mental health is equally profound. Time in natural environments calms the nervous system, reduces mental overstimulation, eases anxiety, and restores emotional balance, helping the mind feel clearer, steadier, and more grounded over time. Green and blue spaces help lower cortisol levels, the hormone linked to stress, while also reducing heart rate and blood pressure. These natural settings support nervous system calm, ease physical tension, and promote a state of relaxation and balance. Natural sounds such as wind, flowing water, or birdsong gently calm the nervous system, shifting it from constant alertness into a state of rest and recovery, reducing mental tension and supporting emotional balance and physiological healing. In this calmer state, the mind grows clearer, thoughts slow, and emotional reactivity softens. Mental space expands, stress responses fade, and the brain can process experiences more calmly, supporting emotional balance, focus, and psychological recovery over time. Spending time outdoors helps restore mental focus and cognitive energy by reducing mental fatigue, easing overstimulation, and allowing attention to reset naturally, improving clarity, concentration, creativity, and overall mental performance over time. Unlike digital environments that demand constant attention, nature allows the mind to wander gently, rest from overstimulation, and shift into a softer focus, helping restore attention, creativity, and mental clarity without effort or pressure. This gentle form of soft fascination gives the brain relief from constant problem-solving and decision-making, allowing mental resources to recover, stress to decrease, and cognitive energy to rebuild naturally without effort or forced concentration. As a result, concentration improves, Creativity increases, and mental fatigue gradually fades. The mind becomes clearer and more flexible, supporting deeper focus, fresh ideas, emotional balance, and renewed cognitive energy that feels natural rather than forced. Many people find that time spent in nature brings fresh insight and a renewed sense of direction without conscious effort. As mental noise fades, intuition strengthens, perspectives shift, and clarity emerges naturally, supporting thoughtful reflection and inner alignment. On an emotional level, nature therapy supports self-awareness and emotional regulation by creating a calm, non-judgmental space. This environment helps people observe feelings more clearly, reduce emotional overload, and respond with greater balance and stability. Quiet moments in natural surroundings make it easier to notice feelings without judgment. With fewer distractions, emotions surface gently, allowing awareness, acceptance, and understanding to develop naturally rather than being suppressed or overwhelmed. Anxiety often eases, mood stabilizes, and a sense of groundedness emerges. Emotional intensity softens, inner tension releases, and the nervous system settles into a calmer, steadier state that supports resilience and psychological balance. Nature offers a space where people can simply exist without comparison, performance, or expectation. In this open, accepting environment, pressure dissolves, self-judgment fades, and a deeper sense of presence, ease, and inner safety can emerge. This sense of emotional safety fosters resilience and deeper inner stability. When pressure and threat fade, the nervous system relaxes, coping capacity strengthens, and people feel more grounded, balanced, and able to face challenges with calm confidence. Social well-being can also benefit from outdoor experiences. Natural settings reduce tension and pressure, making interactions feel easier and more authentic, supporting connection, open communication, and a shared sense of presence without distraction. Shared time in nature encourages relaxed, meaningful interaction. Walking together, engaging in outdoor activities, or simply sitting in silence reduces pressure, supports presence, and allows connection to feel more natural, genuine, and emotionally supportive. At the same time, solitary time in nature strengthens independence and self-connection, reminding people that being alone can be nourishing rather than lonely. Quiet reflection builds self-trust, emotional clarity, and a deeper sense of inner companionship. Importantly, nature therapy does not require dramatic lifestyle changes. Simple moments outdoors, brief walks, or quiet time in natural settings can offer meaningful benefits, making restoration and balance accessible without major effort or disruption. Short, regular exposure is enough to produce benefits. Even brief moments in nature help calm the nervous system, restore mental clarity, and support physical balance, showing that consistency matters more than duration or intensity. A walk in a nearby park, tending plants, sitting in sunlight, or taking short breaks outdoors can all support better health by reducing stress, improving mood, restoring focus, and helping the body and mind reconnect with natural rhythms. What matters most is consistency and presence rather than how long or how far one goes. Regular, attentive moments in nature allow the body and mind to settle, recover, and benefit more deeply than occasional long or distant outings. Ultimately, spending time outdoors reminds the body and mind of their natural state of balance. Nature gently recalibrates stress responses, restores rhythm, and helps both systems return to a calmer, healthier way of functioning over time. Nature heals not through force or effort, but through gentle repetition and quiet support. With regular exposure, natural environments steadily calm the nervous system, restore balance, and allow healing to unfold naturally, without pressure or strain. In reconnecting with the natural world, people rediscover clarity, calm, and vitality. Mental noise fades, energy returns, and perspective widens, allowing body and mind to feel present, balanced, and aligned with a healthier, natural rhythm of living. So, in a fast-paced, overstimulating society, nature therapy offers a simple, accessible, and deeply effective path to lasting well-being, gently restoring balance, calming the nervous system, renewing energy, and supporting physical, mental, and emotional health over time. Thank you for watching. Wishing you good health, balance, and steady progress on your journey of self-care. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment to share your thoughts and support the channel.